Good morning, buddy. Hi, honey. What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you playing with your elephant, buddy? Yeah. Yeah. You're getting so big. So big. Oh, you're so handsome. And so cute. Mwah. Are we going to go to Miss Celia's today? Yeah, you'd like Miss Celia? Yeah. Are you ready to get dressed and have breakfast? Don't be sad. Don't be sad. Here's a binky. There you go. Would you like your ball? There's your ball. Okay. Let's get you dressed, okay? We have to get your brother dressed, too. No, they're the wipes. You leave those alone, okay, buddy? All right. Gotta get him ready. Gotta get you ready. Everybody's gotta go to Miss Celia's. Mommy's gotta go to work. Yes. Dada's at work. Yeah, Dada's already at work. Now Mama's gotta go to work, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you gonna read a book until we get ready, buddy?
No.
Okay. You read something. And you just hang out for a second, okay? Mommy has to fix your aquarium, and then we'll get ready for Miss Celia's. Okay? I love you, and I love you. And I have the two most handsome boys. Yes, I do. I love you guys so much. My name is William Connor. William Connor Owslove. My name is Will. Not Will or Willie. Not even Billy. Just William Connor Owslove. WILLIAMCONNORALSLEV. William Connor Owslove. Yes, that's your name? Yes, it is. You don't like your name? I like your name. It's Will. Not Bill or Billy. Not even Willie. Come on, bud. I know, I'm not very musical, and I'm quite frankly off key all the time. I think it's considered tone deaf, but that's okay. Mommy loves you. Yes. And your brother had a song too when he was little. Okay, we're gonna get ready. Love you. Bye-bye. Say bye. Your brother's reading. Let's see what he's reading. All right, we'll get ready. Kisses. Mwah.